Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.8, Problem 1. This is Section 2.8, Problem 1. It says complete the computation 1/2 plus 1/4. Well, for problems like this where we need to find the common denominator, I prefer to write the problem in the vertical format like this. Now, we need to make the denominators the same. So looking at the denominators of 2 and 4, a good common denominator would be 4. That's the smallest common denominator. You could make a common denominator something bigger, like say 12, but 4 is a good choice. So I'll put my denominator of 4 for each fraction. And now for the top fraction, you compare the denominator of 2 to the denominator of 4, and I must have multiplied times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So the numerator must also be multiplied by the same value, times 2, just like the denominator. 1 times 2 is 2. Now for the bottom fraction, the denominator got to stay the same. It didn't change. So the numerator can also stay the same. It stays 1. Now I have a common denominator of 4. I have 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4. So the denominator stays 4, and I combine the numerators. 2 plus 1 more is 3. So the final answer is 3/4, or 3/4 if you like.